Welcome to part 3. Now let's make the water look alive with speed lines. Now the first thing we need to do is we are going to duplicate this. Then we'll change the name to speed lines. Now that we've done that, while on speed lines, we're going to go to costume and then we're going to delete this and then delete this. Now we're going to draw our line. We'll click on this and we'll draw a very big line. And we'll change the outline to 2, let's say 5. Okay, so let's click on this. Let's change the outline to, it's too big. 2 is fine. Then that is in 2. Let's stop this and see it on the, okay. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to copy, then paste. Let's test again. So let's stop this. Boom. Okay. So let me delete this and then delete this. Let me change this color to white. Okay. I'll click on fill, color. Color is white already. Okay, that's changed to white already. So I'll click on select 2. I will increase this to 2, let me see, 4. Okay. Now that it is in 4, I'm going to copy, paste. I'm just going to pick this up like this. Then bring this down. Then I'll tail this to the other edge. And then I'll bring this here. So let's look at it again. Now you can see our speed line. So let me close the gap between them, copy, paste. Bring this up here. Bring this down here. So let's look at it again. Now you can see our speed line showing on our screen. And that is it though. That is everything to do. So with this now, it feels like the water is moving. Next up is the hero of our game, the boat.